Sylvia, how you doing? My name is Joe. I work for Metro Design, and I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you ranking in Google, get you some more leads, start building out this awesome business, and reaching some of your goals. So the first thing is going to be content. That is how many words are on your home and back pages. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 on your home page and 500 to 700 on your back pages. So if we scroll here, you can see you only have a home page. Looks pretty good, the design. Unfortunately, Google doesn't really care about how it looks. They care about the content and how easy it is for your customers to navigate. So content, you're sitting at about just shy of 200. So we definitely want to help you reach that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal. And as far as your back pages, you have 0 because you have 0 words because you have 0 back pages. So we'll definitely help you build out your website as well. Another thing I want to talk to you about is right here, not secure. Google's going to ding you points for this. It's pretty simple to make your website secure, so we definitely want to do that as well. So moving on to your competitor, Barney's Appliance. This is a up and coming website right here, but he is ranking in the top spots. As far as content for this guy, he has about 20 thanks to reviews that he put on here. So, but definitely beatable. Like I've done more than that before. So, as far as his back pages though, he was sitting out at just under 200 on his back pages. So, the reason he's ranked, which we can do for your website, and then we can also outrank him on his back pages as well because he only has like 140 words back there. So definitely doable. And once again, this guy also has a not secure website, so easy fix, easy points towards us. Next is going to be Citations. Citations is your name, address, and phone number on different websites. The higher you have, the more you have, the higher Google can rank you in the Google Map Pack. So you are sitting at 4, and your competitor's sitting at 13. This is the number 1 guy on the Map Pack, so sitting at 13, which is definitely doable. Me and my team, we like to come in and just pile these citations on, like 100, 200 citations. So once they find out they're not on top anymore, they try to hire an expert to come in. It's really almost too late to go out there and get 100, 200 citations without us knowing, and keep piling some more on. So that's what we do with Citations. Pretty simple, forward. Next is going to be backlinks. So backlinks are different websites that have a link going back to your website. It's basically a popularity contest with Google. The more backlinks you have, the higher, or they think you're more popular, so they push you to the top. So this is your competitor. 32 websites have links going back to your competitor's website with 245 backlinks. Are time consuming and pretty hard to understand, but they are doable. The thing with backlinks is you want quality over quantity, which is right here. So they have bad quality backlinks right here. These numbers should be higher, and they're not. So again, it's doable. So with them being at top and a new up and coming website sitting at the top, they're getting about 17, 16 website visits per month. So not a whole lot. We can get you a lot more than that. So that's basically it for today's video, though. Just pretty straightforward, the three things that we focus on, that Google really focuses on to rank your website, get you to the top. I hope you found it informative. You can shoot us a call, or if it's better and easier, you have me on Facebook as well. Just shoot me a message. After you watch this video, we can start moving forward. Thanks.